What if I told you that one decision made before your morning coffee could make or break your entire day's income? That's exactly what happened to me when I started day trading. My first trade? I turned $128 into $200. My second week, I lost $12,797 in just 3 days. Crazy, right? But that experience taught me something powerful. Day trading isn't luck. It's skill, discipline, and patience. So today, I'll show you how to start day trading in 2025 the right way. No scams, no unrealistic promises. Just the truth, step by step. Let's get into it. Imagine you're at a fruit market. You buy apples for $1 each in the morning, and by noon, prices rise to $1.20. You sell them. Quick profit. That's day trading in a nutshell. Buying and selling stocks, crypto, or forex within the same day to profit from small price changes. But here's the catch. You're competing with millions of other traders, some using AI-powered algorithms. It's like racing against self-driving cars on a track. So if you're starting out, remember, day trading isn't gambling. It's a business. And every business starts with a plan. I know, everyone wants quick profits. But trust me, without knowledge, you're walking into a casino. Here's what to study first. Candlestick charts. They show how prices move. Support and resistance, where prices usually bounce or drop. Risk management. How much you can afford to lose per trade. Think of it like learning to drive. You don't hit the highway before learning the brakes. There are free YouTube channels, simulators like TradingView, and even demo accounts that let you practice without losing real money. Spend at least 2 to 3 weeks just practicing before using real cash. Here's what I did wrong. I started with $10,000. Thinking big money means big profits. Wrong. It just meant big losses. If you're a beginner in 2025, start with something like $100, $500. That's your tuition fee to the market university. Pick a simple trading platform, something like Webull, eToro, or TD Ameritrade. Easy to use, low fees, and beginner-friendly. At the start, your goal isn't to get rich. It's to survive, learn, and stay consistent. Day trading is like playing chess with money. You need a strategy before you make a move. Start with one of these simple strategies. Momentum trading. Buy when a stock is rising fast, but only if there's news or volume behind it. Breakout trading. Wait until a stock breaks a key price level, then jump in. Scalping. Make many small trades for tiny profits. Requires focus and discipline. Example, let's say Tesla stock is $200. You notice it's bouncing between $198 and $200 all week. When it breaks $200 with strong volume, that's your entry point. You sell at $200 for dollars. Quick to dollars per share. Sounds simple, but the real trick is never trade without a stop loss. Remember my $12,797 loss? That happened because I didn't set a stop-loss. A stop loss is a tool that automatically sells your position when prices go against you. It's like a seatbelt in a car crash. You might not use it often, but it can save your financial life. Here's a golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading account on a single trade. So if you have $500, your max loss per trade should be $5, $10. That might sound small, but that's how professionals stay in the game long enough to win. This one's huge. You'll feel fear when prices drop. You'll feel greed when they rise. And both can destroy your account faster than a bad Wi-Fi connection. Trading is 20% strategy, 80% psychology. If you lose, don't revenge trade. Step away. If you win, don't overtrade. Take your profit and call it a day. One of my mentors told me, good traders don't chase money, they chase good trades. And that's the difference between a gambler and a professional. Every trade you make, write it down. Why you entered, why you exited, what you learned. It's boring, yes. But after 30 days, you'll see patterns. What works, what doesn't. That's how small traders slowly evolve into consistent winners. Day trading can look flashy, fast screens, green numbers, adrenaline. But behind every successful trader, there are months of losses and lessons. You won't master it in a week. You'll fail, you'll restart. And you'll grow. In 2025, AI bots, volatility, and new trading rules will change the market. But one thing won't change: the discipline of a smart trader. So let's recap. Learn before you trade. Start small. Use a clear strategy. Protect your money with stop losses. Control your emotions. Keep a journal. Be patient. That's how you turn $128 lessons into $12,797 worth of experience without going broke. Day trading isn't about beating the market, it's about becoming smarter than your past self. So if you're ready to start your trading journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance videos, and comment below what's your first trading goal for 2025. Remember, trade smart, learn fast, grow steady. See you in the next video.